Damaged cymbals are not garbage. Don't let anybody tell you different. If you've got an injured cymbal and you like the way that it sounded, getting it repaired can go a long way towards extending its life. Is it going to sound exactly like new? No, of course not. But you can still get a lot more miles out of a cymbal that's been unfortunately damaged by having it repaired. And contrary to popular belief, it's not going to turn it immediately into an effects cymbal, and no, it's not only good for making a stack out of. These cymbals do come back to life and can be useful in their original purpose for years to come, as long as you play them with care afterwards. Don't take my word for it.